Hello and welcome back to the channel How to Set Info, and today I will show you how to track AliExpress shipping. So open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right and enter section My Orders right here. So now we want to find order that you want to track. Then tap on it to open its details and then find a button that says Tracking. So now it should look approximately like this. This is tracking information page, and here you can see what is your estimate delivery time right here. Then you can see your carrier, your tracking number, and of course your shipping updates that are located right here. So that's basically it, but if you don't want to use AliExpress application, you can copy your tracking number right here. Also you can use this function to copy your tracking number instead of manually typing it in. So tap this icon and go to website that is named parcelapp.com, and here you enter your tracking number, then tap this icon and it will pull all information from all the courier systems. So yeah, you can see all the shipping updates. But don't panic if your tracking looks stuck, because AliExpress logistics usually a little too slow to updates, and sometimes it only refreshes when your package will arrive to your country. So that's basically it, how you can track your shipping on AliExpress. I hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.